Hello, it's Letitia from Easy Access. I'm here to show you how our ladder standoff bracket works. The ladder standoff bracket has a few very helpful functions. Due to the width of the bracket, it can be used to span things such as windows and downpipes that can generally get in the way. It can also be used against the fascia board to protect the spouting from being damaged. Here's how it works. Firstly, check the height you'll require the ladder standoff bracket to be against the house. Place the ladder on the standoff bracket at the height you require it. Hook the ladder in and tighten the hooks. Ready to go. Thanks for watching.